Well, it's been a little bit over a year since I got my Jan Berger Jackboots, and this is just a little bit of an update. I've been using them quite a bit this winter in all kind of winter conditions. A lot of the hobnails were coming off, and I tried to replace them myself, but the sole was quite damaged. That was beyond my leather craft knowledge, so I took it to the shoemaker. It was also beyond his knowledge, so he took it to a leather maker. This guy is from Switzerland and he has a good knowledge about the jackboots, and he was able to resole the boots, and with few original hobnails that I got from my friend Mike and some modern reproduction hobnails that I got from Kelly's, he was able to complete the job. And no, unfortunately I do not have any footage of the repair. And I have to say I'm really happy with the results of the resoling on the jackboots. Almost perfect, just one thing, that the toe plate is a little bit off center compared to when I got it originally. The leather seems very sturdy and overall looks very good. I'm always quite careful taking care of my boots, putting on wax, greasing them, and shoe polish. Also to put grease on the sole, but it only takes one time. I left them wet, sole down on the granite floor, so the moisture got deep into the leather and did some irreversible damage to the boots. I also noticed after my use this winter, I saw that some of the stitches are coming off the back of the heel, coming a little bit loose. They're not completely loose and have not broken, so I'm able to fix that with some good quality glue, or if that doesn't work, then it's back to the shoemaker. So don't make the mistake I made. If you get the boots really wet, then just lay them down on the side or put them upside down, boot sticks or any kind of sticks, so it just dries upside down. Don't let them dry sole down. And here you can see what I'm talking about regarding the toe plates, that they seem a little bit off center compared to when I got them first. And here I'm comparing the boots when I got them first, day one, and the first week of usage. And then the last one here is after 14 months of moderate use. Well, I hoped you enjoyed this Jackboots update with a little cautionary tale. And as always, thank you for watching and take care.